Hey, my name is Brogan Shantz. I'm Field Program Representative for Soil and Water Outcomes Fund in Eastern Iowa. Today we're out doing some field visits, so let's take a ride. So we conduct field visits once a year in the springtime. We step foot in every single field that we have enrolled with us to verify that the practices are all in compliance with what was contracted. First thing we're gonna do is, we got our square. We're at the field. We're gonna try to find an area that's representative of the field as a whole. The PVC square, what that does is it kind of gives us a uniform general frame of reference. We're taking photos of this same square in every field, and that helps us maintain that same visual frame of reference from one field to another. So this field here, we're looking at corn was the prior crop last year, and it's no-tilled. You can see with all the stalks are standing yet. This particular field looks like form of reduced tillage. Are there cover crops present, which in this one, I'm not seeing any. What you're kind of looking at here is a form of tillage. Chopping up stalk residue like this, sizing up is okay. And what we're really looking for is minimal soil disturbance. A lot of folks will use that type of tillage to actually incorporate cover crops. They're here, you can see them. Give it another week or two in this field, I bet would be bright green. It's important that we visit every field because every field is unique. There are situations, things can happen on one field that might not happen on another. We really want to visit every single field to ensure that every field we contract is within compliance. Then we're going to take a photo over top of the square. Then we're going to grab 3 more photos, and we're going to try to create a panoramic view of the fields. So someone looking at this report can essentially visualize what this field looks like. For the farmer themselves, there's really no action needed from them for these field visits. We take all that information back and we can then compare that with what was contracted to ensure that everything lines up. We're gonna select the icon in this field that we're standing in, make sure we're within the boundary. Once we got all that documented, I'm gonna hit save, sync that up, and we're on to the next. Field visits are important because they help us verify and ground truth that the lines of communication were open between us and the farmer when they were enrolling. We understood their goal, what they were trying to achieve here, but also to ensure that we ground truth every single field that we have enrolled with us, so that paying partners are getting the outcomes with what was contracted.